So hi, thank you for joining me here again. And what I have here is a wood cutout. They're bunnies, Easter bunnies, just in time for Easter. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to be flooding with. So we're going to be flooding this with titanium white by Amsterdam. We're going to give this a little shake. And we're going to go ahead and begin. So we're flooding this. Perfect. Torch it out a little more. And because I have 3 bunnies connected, I am going to try and do a 3 color palette different here. So I have blues, I have purples, and I have pinks. For purple, I might add another color here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and begin with the blues. So, okay, everyone. So, Pearl Sapphire Blue by Arteza. And we're going to make blue, the middle color. Yes. So, let's see. How do I want to do this? Yep, that's good. Then I have Manganese Blue Hue by Golden. Okay. And my next color is Pearl Waterfall Blue by Arteza. Okay. All right. Purple over here. I have Windsor Violet by Winsor and Newton. Okay. I have Oriental Violet by Pevale. Okay. I have Pearl Royal Blue by Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. And I'm gonna have to refill this one because it seems a little empty. Okay, so there. And last I have Pearl Lilac by Arteza. So 2 Artezas on top. Okay. Those are my purples. Let me move these out of the way. And next, pink, I have Quinacridone Rose by Amsterdam. And I'm moving along a little faster only because I don't want the paints to spread too much. See my blue spreading out. Next, I have Light Magenta by Golden. Pretty one. Okay. And next I have Pearl Peony Pink by Arteza. Okay, those are my colors. I'm going to go ahead and torch out the air bubbles, and we will begin. So no rhyme or reason for this. I don't know how I'm going to blow this out, but let's get started. Okay, so I think the blowout was a little difficult because they're connected. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to try to make this rounded off like that. Okay. Okay, that is good. And now the same on the pink side. Just kind of bring it out. Okay, I like this. Same thing on the ear top here. We can kind of try to fix it. Let's see. Trying to fix the earpiece here. There you go. Okay, I think that's good. And then the same thing on the purple here. Move this purple out of there. I'm going to come around so I can blow there. I love it. Okay, let me show you. Come on down. Okay, everyone, so look at the bunnies. How beautiful are they? I love it. I love that I was able to keep these together in different colors. Tell me what you think about this one. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, a share, a like. Thank you so much for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa today. Thank you. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.